these are my new friends.
Yes. Hello.
So everyone, who's everyone's name? What's your name?
Sakon.
Sakon,
Mulim.
Mulim,
Saron.
Saron.
Ron. Morning.
And what's my name?
I see send your name.
What's my name?
Handsome man. Handsome man.
It's Danny, but okay, I'll accept handsome man too.
Danny. Just call you handsome man, okay?
I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay. This is the lovely lady from Cambodia, from the reception. And I'm a little bit shy, so I'm gonna go. Today is an exciting day. I'm gonna shoot an AK-47. I hope. I've been playing Battlefield, Call of Duty, CSGO. And finally I get to feel that spray, you know, it starts going up. So, you know what I'm talking about, guys. Let's see if I can actually hit something. I'll see you on the tuk-tuk on the ride there. It's gonna be an amazing day. So, boys, no AK-47, but I'm going to shoot the M16 today. So, I'm still excited. It's fantastic.
Hi. Why no? Yeah. Why no again?
Boys, you're gonna love it. It's fantastic. I can't hear anything. Let's see what I hear. Oh, I got the coconuts. Did I hit this man?
Yeah, you can.
Did I hit him?
Yeah. That one.
Where did I hit him? Did I hit him there?
This, and this, this, and this.
Oh, beautiful. This one I hit him.
Yeah.
Hit him here too. Yeah. Was this from what happened?
Broken.
Ah, because rapid fire?
Yeah. No. Army shoot in the morning.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I tell you shoot this one.
Oh, yeah. Okay. That's still. It was very fun. Very fun. Very good. Welcome. Thank you so much, my friend. Boys, you gotta come. It's the best. What's the name of the place?
I'm 16, sir.
Pardon?
I'm 16.
Say that.
I'm 16.
That's where you gotta come. The best shooting. You'll have the blast, boys. I'll talk to you later. So guys, I'm back from shooting, and unfortunately they didn't have any bullets for the AK-47, so I ended up shooting the M16. It was still fun. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, you're not my friend. Oh, you're probably not my friend anyway. Alright, peace out.